Alright, y'all. Now, I was gonna make this video all in one video when I did the unboxing for the Note 10, but this case is extremely hard to open and apply, so I figured I'd make it into its own dedicated video, and I'm not even gonna try and hurt y'all ears or assault y'all ears like that. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this manufacturer or the seller for this case. So just check out the links down below in the video description if you're interested. But let's get into this unboxing and first impressions of this full protective case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Alright, now first things first, talking about the packaging, I kind of like it. It's very minimal, it's very straightforward, really good stuff here. Okay. Now let's crack this bad boy open and see what we're working with. And once again, I'm just going to get it out the way now. This is being recorded on the Moto G9 Power and its primary 64 megapixel camera in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So throw this packaging off to the side and let's get into this. So as y'all can see, opening up the case here, we do have instructions on how to separate it. So all your instructions are here. Now I'm going to walk y'all through how to do this because this is extremely difficult. And I did notice this and I was very sad about it. On initial inspection of the case, my case did come with a little bit of damage right there. You can see that. So it is damaged and I don't know how that got there, but I'm not going to go through the trouble of sending it back because I need protection. This is an expensive device and I want some protection. So it is damaged. I acknowledge that and we're going to keep it moving. So let's get into how you would install this case and then we'll get into the first impressions. So this is a 3-part case here. So you have your protective plastic around the outside, then you have your frame, and then you have the back of the case. All right, and it's all designed to come together like one piece, just like this. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we need to separate everything. So now we just need to unfold the plastic until the front frame is exposed. So just like this, dig your finger in here and take that plastic back off, just like that. Go around the whole device and take it off. Be careful you don't break the plastic though, because we don't want to break the case. But just work your way around and pull that plastic off. Just like that. Work your way around, pull it off. So this is the back piece. Rest this down. We're going to have to reapply that later. Now we need to separate your frames. And you can see you got little pull tab arrows here as to how to separate it. So all you need to do is just put your finger in the pull tabs and pop it open. See? Pop it here, pop it there, and it comes off the frame when you pop it. So pop it here, comes off, work your way around, pop it here, comes off, keep working your way around, pop it here, comes off, and just keep going. Pop it here until you get around the whole device. Again, being careful not to break the plastic. That's the most important thing until it separates, right? So now, here's your 3 pieces for this case, okay? Now, at this point, we want to install our device. But I would recommend, before you install your device, you get yourself a microfiber cleaning cloth and you just wipe it down to the best of your ability, because this is one of those cases that you're going to hate taking off. So you just want to make sure your device is as clean as you can get it. And another sweet thing is if you have a pre-applied screen protector, it should work with this case as well, or so they say. So give me a second here. Let me just wipe down the device. Wipe down the cameras. Okay. Get it as clean as I can get it. Get it nice and clean. because I can tell y'all right now, honestly, this case is probably not going to come off for at least another few months. So there we go, nice and clean. And now we can get into installing it on the device. And all we have to do is just line it up. So we're going to line up the front, clip it on. So let's do that here. Make sure it goes over. All right. And I think I did it wrong. Okay, yeah, so flip it around. Because it has all the necessary cutouts. So I have to flip it around here. And it should go on like this. Okay, so once you got the front on, then we could take the back and put that on as well. So get that in there. Like that. Make sure it's lined up, and then we could take the back and clip it on. Okay? Clip it on. And it should click into place. Okay? Just work your way around. Make sure it clicks into place. Get it all clicked up. Alright, just like that. So your front and your back is now on. Okay? And now we put the protective TPU plastic over the top. And then we're done. So now we just go like this. And drop it in. And wrap that plastic over. And make sure everything is fully wrapped over. Alright? Line it up. Make sure it's wrapped over. Take your time when you do this because you want everything to line up perfectly. Okay? So putting these buttons over. Putting this top over. You want all these buttons to line up. And you want to get rid of the frills right here. Okay? And then when you're done, it should just be able to squeeze into place just like this. So I got a little bit more work I got to do for the squeezies to line up right. So I got to put this here. Just work your way around. Put it the way it's supposed to be put. Alright? And then if you need to, fold that plastic over. Alright? So, give me a second here. Let me get this all situated the way it's supposed to. And then I will be back. Gotta fold this part over too. Alright? So yeah, let me pause this. Because it's going to take a little bit more struggling to get that lined up. And get this lined up. And have everything lined up the way it's supposed to. And then we're going to come back when we're all finished here. And show y'all what this finished product should look like. Okay? So you can see these sides are done. This side is done. I just got to fix right here. And then we should be good. So I got to fold this over. And then we should be good. So give me a second. Let me do that. And I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. And we are back. So as y'all can see, let me give you a real quick walk around. All I had to do was bend it over and then squeeze it in. So you can see how it lines up. That means it's perfectly lined up, right? See that? And then we have all our necessary cutouts. So the S Pen still have access. Speaker still have access. Got the nice protective flap for the charger. Boom. And we can clip it closed. Buttons. All that stuff is here. Microphones. All that stuff is here. So we got full protection now for our Note 10. And our buttons are still extremely clicky. Alright, so volume rockers, power button, everything still works. Good stuff indeed. And then we got that nice screen protection. So our screen is fully protected. Y'all saw the drop. And we got that nice back panel protection with the nice indentation. So the drop, we're good. Alright? And everything here still works. So if I unlock the device, I still have nice fluid access to the screen. That's all gonna work. Now I still have to finish setting this up, but I wanted to get this case unboxing and first impressions out the way. Still got access to our S Pen. Click it, and I can pull it out with my fingernail. So we got access right there. No problems. Click it in, and we can still reach it, no problems. So good stuff. Really nice, full protective case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and this is fairly inexpensive. Alright, so first impressions of this full protective case for the Note 10 is really good indeed, and it's nice and grippy, and it adds some much needed girth to the device as well, while maintaining that full protection. Alright, so I'm going to use this for a really long time, and I'll probably come out with the review for this case long before I come out with the review for the device. Alright, so y'all be on the lookout. And that pretty much does it for this video. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Once again, this video was recorded with the rear-facing 64 megapixel camera on the Moto G9 Power in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. Alright? As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. And as always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick up the device as well as the featured case and its affiliated links will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And again, keep in mind, those are affiliated links. So I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel and keep bringing you guys and gals content at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So it truly is a win-win for everyone. All right? Hope everyone is staying safe out there. Hope everyone is having a great day. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. All right, let me go finish setting this bad boy up. Let me put my SIM back in my main phone. Let's go. I'm super excited still, man. Let's get into this. All right, everybody. Peace. We are out of here.